Hello, alright, kamusta kayo? Another video lesson here by IJ Garo. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is isosolve natin yung voltage na dumadaan dito sa R1, sa R2, and sa R3. So, as you can see, ito ay series circuit ng mga resistors or resistors connected in series. So, may given tayo, R1 is 10 ohms, R2 is 20 ohms, R3 is 30 ohms. Ang total voltage na papadaanin natin ay 120 volts. Then, meron tayong triangle dito. Dito mo makukuha yung mga formula. V is voltage, I is current, R is resistance. So, ang first step na pwede mong gawin dito is get the total resistance. So, yung total resistance ay RT is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Pwede mo lang itong gawin kapag naka-series ang resistors. Yan. So, may gagawa rin ako for parallel naman. So, kung gusto niyo makita yon, follow nyo guys and like nyo to and share nyo yung video and pwede nyo rin i-repost. So, to get RT, R1 is 10, R2 is 20, R3 is 30. So, basic na lang yan. Addition lang yan. 10 plus 20, 30 plus 30, 60. Ang unit guys ng resistance ay ohms. Yan. Ngayon, nakuha mo na yung RT, pwede mo nang masolve yung IT. So, using this formula, pag tinakpan mo yung I, ibig sabihin yun yung unknown, meron kang V over R. So, IT is equal to total voltage over the total resistance. Ang total voltage natin, given yan guys, 120. Ang ating total resistance ay 60 ohms. Pag pinag-divide mo yan, 120 divided by 60, that is, cancel to, 12 divided by 6, 2. Unit ng current guys is ampere. 2 ampere. 2 amperes. Now, sa series guys, yung total current ay equal sa current sa first resistor, equal din siya sa current sa second, ganun din sa third, and so on. As long as naka-series sila guys. Tandaan nyo yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung current na dumadaan dito ay 2 amperes din. So, I1 is equal to 2 amperes. I2 is equal to 2 amperes. And then, I3 is equal to 2 amperes. Yun. Tigto 2 amperes lang yan, guys. Ngayon, our goal is to find V1, V2, and V3. Yan. So, to solve for that, tignan nyo yung formula natin. Tanggalin mo yung V, takpan mo, yun yung unknown. So, the formula is I times R. So, ibig sabihin, V1 is equal to I sub 1 times R sub 1. Ang I sub 1 natin ay 2. Ang ating resistance ay 10 sa R1. So, we have 2 times 10, that is 20. Voltage, so ang unit niyan, volts, 20 volts. Ibig sabihin guys, ito ay 20 volts. Next, V2. V2 is equal to I2 times R2. Ang I2 natin guys ay 2 pa din. And then, ang ating R2 ay 20. So, 2 times 20, you will have 40. Voltage yan, so 40 volts. So, meaning V2 is 40 volts. V3 na tayo guys. V3 is equal to I3 times R3. So, yung I3 natin guys, dito is 2 amperes multiplied by 30. R3 is 30 ohms. So, meron kang 2 times 30, that is 60. Voltage yan guys. So, ang unit niyan ay volts. So, kapag ganyan guys, nakuha na natin, lagay natin dito. Now, ang maganda dito guys is merong checking. So, ang checking natin will be total voltage must be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Again, pwede mo tong gawin kapag naka-series. Yan guys. Kasi iba ang voltage kapag sa parallel na pinag-uusapan. So, VT is equal to V1 natin dito ay 20. Ang V2 ay 40. Ang V3 ay 60. So, kapag pinag-plus natin yan, dapat mag-equal doon kanina sa 120. So, 20 plus 40, 60 plus 60, 120 volts. And ganyan mag-solve ng series resistors. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video guys, like nyo naman, share nyo rin, repost nyo rin, and follow for more video lessons sa electronics.